Hello again, traders. It's November 1st, 2009, Sunday. Futures have just now started trading. The markets have been going down, last week. As far as this week and the direction that we will be taking, I'd like to put myself on the line saying that I'll take the contrary case, saying that they're going northbound. My reason for this, right now as it stands, we've been making progress since the March 9th bottom, as you could see, and we have a lot of formations, a lot of fractals that are forming. You could see one here, they're W patterns with also corresponding confirmation in the MACD. After these have been put in, we've been northbound, and I'd like to think we've just put one in now. If I could get it to stick, that would bring us in a upward motion. Now we should have upward momentum starting this week. So with that said, getting right into it, the MACD is already beginning to cross as futures are trading right now, and we should be approaching this 200 EMA. We are bouncing off a strong support that goes back. If you look at it again on the daily, it goes back. This is that line right here. I'll see if I can make it a little bigger, bolder maybe. All the way bold, maybe turn it a different color, green, buying time. It goes all the way back right here. It's a lot of support, a lot of price action. We bounced off of it, broke, came back through, making a bullish formation right here, and we may go a little lower than it, but I think we will use this as our springboard, which is a little bit in between the 50 and the 100 EMA. That would give us our bounce that we need right here. Now if we go lower than this line, approaching the 100, we get pretty bearish going below that line. I know I say that a lot, but as of right now, Sunday futures, I'd like to think that we're about to head northbound. Confirmation of this could be seen in the dollar. We've been, over the past couple weeks since September, this data is from, we've been going sideways, going lower on the weekly inside of this channel right here, and inside of this channel we began trading in an inner channel denoted by this trend line right here, and we've stuck to it. Last week we moved up and tested the top of it, but I'd like to think that we're gonna head lower. The EMA ribbon formed by the 10, 30, 50, 100, 200 EMAs are crossing lower, headed bearish. If you zoom in and look at the daily, inside of that channel we've tested the top of it, and we've seen that we could be making a bearish divergence on the MACD headed lower. The next couple ticks will tell that. Looking in on the hourly, it's happening as we speak. Not necessarily a double top, but a lower low, and hopefully we could form a lower high and get in a down channel going below this purple 200 EMA that's right there. That would be bullish for the markets. Looking at the VIX, that's the monthly of it. It's rising as it stands, but we've tested this purple candle right there. It's not much to be said about that. It could go northbound and break that, but it's looking a little heavy up here if you look on the hourly, and there is a I think this is called a hammer or a shooting star, one of them. Either way, a rose by any other name smells just as sweet. It's bearish. It shows that on the last hour of trading on the VIX, it tried to rally hard, could not sustain it, and it came crashing down. We're losing momentum on the MACD. If we could go ahead and get below this 200 EMA, that would also be bullish for the markets. It's already happening on the 15-minute. As far as the equities I'm trading, they're a little mixed, but looking at the monthly, this formation has been seen throughout a lot of the charts. Apple, another equity that I'm trading, has already been where Google is right now. I'll go ahead and bring up a chart of it, and it broke out, and it has that same bearish candlestick. So I'm not Not really sure how that's going, but I do like the EMA ribbon that's starting to spread out right now. We may get a lower month. This is a monthly. We may get a lower month or an equal month, but I'd like to think that we could go ahead for the month of November and just start, making, go ahead and broaden that out on the MACD and get us going northbound, further northbound, on the back of a decreasing dollar. That's what I'm seeing in the markets right now. I'd like to let everybody know that I've enjoyed making these videos. If there's any questions you would have, I would be glad to answer them or direct you to others who may know. I do have I am an advocate of the site freetradingvideos.com. While I am not the most knowledgeable, I do know where there are others who may be able to assist in your trading, or if you would like to make comments about what you believe the markets will be doing, go ahead and I love collaboration. I would not look down upon that at all. In fact, I would appreciate it if anybody watching the videos would comment. Let me know what I could do better. Let me know what you don't like. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Anyway, trade well, trade smart, trade on. ODK out.